Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I need all the help I can get to get cleaning done in our house. And this steam cleaner by VeRosky has been so fun to use with all kinds of jobs. I love that it has a tool attachment to do windows. It makes that job a piece of cake. I was able to clean all these windows in like 2 minutes. It was super easy. And they were super clean. There's a nice indicator light that turns orange when it is heating up, and then it turns off once the water is hot enough. I love using a steamer because it's chemical free, but I know everything is getting really, really clean. I have another steamer and it is very big. So for big jobs, I love it, but it is hard to do just cleaning jobs around the house because it's hard to haul around. But this one is a handheld one. So this is our dirty windowsill, and look at this one after I was able to clean it. I never thought I'd enjoy doing this job, but when it's that much of a difference, it's very fulfilling. I also appreciate the safety lock because I have kids. I don't want them to just be able to hit a button and steam come out and them get burned. Another thing I love about this is that you can use it to get wrinkles out of fabric. So my daughter has these curtains that have never been ironed because, well, they were overwhelming to me to think about ironing all of that fabric. So if you're needing a little bit of help to get your house clean, this steamer by VeRosky will definitely help. And that's my point of view.